Babe! Babe, stop! Lift him up. Oh my god! Bubs, are you okay? Oh my gosh, I didn't get that.
Oh, that's so hard. But I'm afraid to hit me in my balls. Boom. Romeo, come here. One more.
Yeah, right.
Romeo.
He's like, I just broke my spleen. Bitches, I'm getting it.
Romeo.
Bubs!
There's a string stuck on his face. I know.
Bubs, what happened? It looks like you're holding like an invisible string or something.
Stop. Stop.
Oh.
If he lands on one of those dogs, he's gonna get hurt. No more. Jesus.
Bubs.